On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a soul purpose healing meditation. Welcome to day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas. And today's gift giveaway is a soul purpose healing meditation. And this meditation is amazing to lift you out any kind of funk of that the holidays may bring for you. Maybe it's grief from somebody that's passed that's not with you this year, or maybe you're alone and not able to be with your family, or your family's apart from you somehow, or you are alone and the holidays just rank it in a little bit more, and you're depressed and you don't feel like waking up. You'd rather sleep. This meditation is just amazing at really jump-starting the connection between you and your soul. Because remember, the soul is a part of you that loves to live, that loves to laugh, that loves joy and freedom and peace, and loves to give and loves to share. And the parts of us that are depressed can be lifted when the soul is awakened and soul is activated. So this meditation will do that for you. So this meditation I'm going to give you is a shortened version, but I encourage you to really feel into it, to really use this over and over and over again, because it will awaken your soul. It will jumpstart you out of any kind of funk you're in, and will start to lead you in the direction that your soul wants you to go. And remember, whenever you're going in the direction that your soul wants, might not logically make sense, right? But it's going to make you happy. It's going to make you fulfilled, and it's going to make sense in the divine sort of way. So that becomes your choice, right? We live in this place of free will. So how do we get into that? So I like to do this one sitting up. You can do it laying down, but when you do it sitting up, for me, it's easier to visualize the connection between heaven and earth, and between heaven and earth, between us and heaven, and between us and Mother Gaia, the center, the core of the earth. That's the connection that we're going to establish. And I want you to know that it goes along your spine, and it could be as small in diameter as that, but I challenge you to make it fairly big. And you can see this channel of light going down your body, going down through the crown of your head, down through your neck, down through your spine, through your heart, and then down through your perineum, down through the bottom of your legs, and then continue all the way down to the center of the earth, right? And then I want you to visualize a line coming up from the center of the earth. Make it a big channel, a big, huge channel. The bigger you can get it, the more nourishment you can receive from earth, and the more grounded and stable you're going to feel. So you bring the earth energy up in a channel, so it's going from the earth all the way through your body up into the divine, and then from the divine down into the earth. So it's like an alternating current. And we're not in the meditation yet. I'm just giving you the anatomy. And then we're going to warm up the spiritual centers with breath. So I'll be directing you to breathe into your dantian, which is your hara point. It's just this point inside your body, in the center of your body, between your pelvis, pelvic floor, and your belly button, but it's on the inside. And this is a place, it's a spiritual center where when it's lit up, it's how we create action, take action, create in the physical world. It's really, really kind of cool. And then up from there, we're going to activate another spiritual center called your soul. I talk about the soul a lot, but the actual physical location of this energy center in your body is in your solar plexus, and it's like a big yellow sun, and we want to be able to expand it. And then, of course, your high heart, So this is going to be your thymus area, and it's a spiritual center where um, we have contracts of our purpose of what we're going, who we're here, what we're here to do. And so we're going to awaken that. We're also going to awaken something in front of, like right where your skull meets your spine, right? And it's in the center of your head. So it's like right inside of there. And it's I called it aha point. So it's where angels and demons will whisper at you. And so you have that point of discernment, like, should I stay or should I go? Should I believe that or not? And then it's up to you to discern and use free will to choose what guidance that you want to take, right? And there's a lot, but we're going to really open it up the spiritual center with the intention of allowing more divine information come in. And then, of course, your third eye. And we're going to have it turned so it's looking up towards the heavens. And, fun fact, energetically, the pineal gland, not energetically, but in the anatomy, there's rods and cones coming from your third eye and attaching into your brain, just like your two eyeballs. So that's really kind of cool. Okay, so let's do the meditation. So sitting on the floor with your feet on the floor, feeling your sit bones in the chair. If you have a lot of extra tissue like I do, you can pull your butt cheeks apart so you can really feel those sit bones. Feel your feet on the floor, and then put your shoulders over your hips, and then your head over your shoulders with your chin tightly tucked so the crown of your head's going to the sky. So I want you to take a deep inhale from the heavens into your heart through your nose and hold it for a count of 4. And then exhale with gratitude down through your channel, down to the center of the earth. And then inhale from the earth up through the center of your body into your heart and hold it. And then with gratitude, exhale up to the heavens. So you're inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Inhaling from your nose, from the earth up, and exhaling. So I want you to breathe in a few more breaths on your own like that, visualizing that you're inhaling from the earth and from the divine all at the same time into your heart. And then notice any warmth in your heart and notice it expanding. And I want you to have that expansion of your heart fill every cell in your body. And if it doesn't happen right away, don't worry about it. It takes time, it takes practice, it takes reps. You're training your body to a new state of love, of peace, out of fight or flight. Okay, so let's wake up our energy centers. So this time I want you to take a deep inhale from the divine and then drop it down. Inhale into your lower dantian. And then with exhale from your dantian down to the earth. I want you to bring up some earth energy. And what color is it? Is it orange? Is it red? Is it yellow? And bring that up into your dantian. And with the intention of waking up that center. Feeling, noticing, sensing how it's getting bigger and brighter, how it feels warm, or does it make a sound? And then go ahead and take another deep breath in from the earth up into your solar plexus. So you're going to activate a center, a circle a space that's on top of your dantian that you just awoke and allow it to grow, to glow. What color is it? And make sure that it's stacked on top of the energy center below. And then and work it and breathe into it so that it ignites and it's the same size, the same cadence, the same density as your spiritual center below it. I want you to take another deep breath from the center of the earth, from Mother Gaia, up into your high heart. And go ahead and activate that warm glow, that warm center within you, and see it, feel it, know that it's stacked on top of the other spiritual centers that you just awoke. And notice how it's getting bigger, brighter. Maybe it pulses, mine pulse, not everybody's pulse, but mine are pulsing in tandem, the same intensity, the same density, the same shape, the same size, all on top of each other. And let's take another deep breath in from the earth, all the way up into our aha point, right in the middle, the top of our fifth chakra. And feel the pulse, feel the warmth, feel the light, and feel it stacked on top of the other centers. And then go ahead and take another deep breath in from the earth, all the way up through your dantian, giving it a charge through your solar plexus, giving it a charge through your high thymus, giving it a charge through your aha point, giving it a charge, and then just really turning on, illuminating, aligning your third eye, and allowing that spiritual center to open, to grow, and to pulse. Maybe it sees, maybe it doesn't, but you know it's there. And now I want you just to breathing in through your nose and out through your heart. Notice these centers in your body. Taking a deep breath in and noticing the connection, the light connection between heaven and earth. Oh, it's an alternating current. And then notice each of the spiritual centers on the center of this line, illuminating, brightening, stacked on one another, lighting up. This is a most marvelous place to be. The one thing that I would add on top of that would be to feel the edges of your aura and allow the divine to pour liquid gold barrier over the whole eggshell part of your aura so that your light is protected. And the only thing that enters your space, your energy, are things of the light. That anything not of the light just bounces off or melts away. And then from here, anything that's ready to be let go of, anything that's not of the light, anything you don't need anymore, can just fall from your energy centers down the cord to the center of the earth, just allowing it to be recycled by the earth. And then, so this is the meditation, and I invite you to hop into it 2, 3 times a day, or at least once a day. And the more often you can get into it, the brighter your light, the happier you are, and your soul is activated and you start making choices in that direction more and then in the choices of fear. And that's what we're all about, spiritual healing and transformation. I really hope that you like this healing. It was a little longer than the other ones, but it's very, very important. Let me know how it goes. Sending love, light, and laughter your way. Have a most marvelous day.